Hi and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I have 3 cards here that I've had from different change checker buys. I've got a Jeremy Fisher, a dictionary and a Battle of Britain. So I'll just put those off to one side. The main reason for this video is this. This is the change checker 10-year anniversary coin. Please excuse the fact that the fan is on and you may be hearing it in the background, but it's very warm today and I need to have it on, otherwise I'll never last the day. Like the trading cards that were issued for the 10-year anniversary, such as this one here, they have a gold edge. Or this one has a gold edge. This is a silver version. There is also, I believe, a gold version, which is about 10 quid more. Same coin, same design. It's just a golden colour rather than this silver colour. On the reverse of it, we just have the change checker logo with the celebrating 10 years on the back here. The card itself, because it's a token and not a coin, it doesn't have the strip on it. On the front of the card we have the 10 as a new number, then we have several designs off coins that you might recognise. You have, where's my pointy stick? We have, as I said when I first showed this on in the post, we have Kew Gardens, there is English breakfast down here which is off for 10p, we have dictionaries here, what else have we got? We've got girls' guides. We've got the Shakespeare coin for the comedies. We have a £2. We have a bunny on the top there, which is going to be the Potter series. So there is an awful lot of iconographics that deal with coins that have been issued since change checker started 10 years ago. I bought this as just to show off what the coin was like. Will I buy the gold one? Probably not. It's no different to this in its design, and all it is just golden colour, and it costs 10 quid more. I think this one was around about, the postage was around about £9 or £8, and so the normal sort of 50p or £2 thingy. The gold version of this is sort of about 20 quid plus postage, so no, I don't think I will be getting it. It's only a token after all. It's not a special one-off coin that's limited edition or anything. So what do you think of it? I quite like it. I haven't seen new things every time I look at it, but I'm not sure. It's a one-off, what would you call it, just something to support change checker as much as anything else. As I say, I quite like it. As I say, I don't want to buy both of them, although I know a couple of people have. I don't feel the need to personally. There's no intrinsic value to this coin. It's just a token in effect that you would buy if you went out for a day somewhere. So no, I'm not 100% convinced that this is worth the money. It was okay as a nice one-off thing, but bringing out a series of different colours and surfaces doesn't do it for me on this particular coin. However, they've done their best with this and I congratulate them on that. I congratulate Change Checker on 10 years doing videos for us and allowing us to buy coins slightly cheaper. So that's it. If you've enjoyed this, please give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, from me, bye bye for now. Ta-da.